Guys, welcome back. It's Wednesday, the 3rd of September. Just thought I'd quickly go over some of the trades I've done today. Just a quick overview. As you know before, this is the main pairs that I look at. So I look at GBP pound, USD, SP 500, the DAX, the gold, ETH and Bitcoin. As you can see, my balance now is 99.65. So if you go over to the spreadsheet. So currently, obviously, I'm at £4.77 today. Yesterday we finished at 4.28. Did a few extra trades and won some and lost some, and yeah, it kind of averaged out pretty much. So made it 11%, 11.2%, which is great. Which is a good boost for the account. It's another 10 quid in the account. Today I had to go and do a hospital appointment this morning, which I didn't get back till lunch. Obviously, I'm in the UK, so it's like just before the US Open. I got back, but had a few trades, done a few wins, etc. So you can see, like, obviously we've gone. We started the week at 57.21. It's now Wednesday. We're at 99.65. So we're building slowly. We're building. We actually built quite quick at the start of the week, but 5% is my target. To be honest, I'm not feeling that great today anyway. So I just want to kind of pretty much. What did I do? £4.34. I should have got 4.77. So I just took it when I was happy, and that was it. Just get out of it for today, because obviously, like I said, I'm waiting for a shoulder surgery, so it could be any time this week. So it might be a few days this week. I might not be on here because I'll be obviously in hospital recovering from that. But then obviously, hopefully next week, I should be back. Just depends when they get a chance to do it. So I'll either do it later this week, the surgeon's hoping, or the start of next week. Either way, it'll be 1 or 2 days off probably, and then if I can't sleep, I'll be back on early morning again and doing updates. So yeah, that's just how we look at it. We're looking good. We've doubled. So you just got to remember, when you get to this point, don't get too excited about, I'm unstoppable, I'm making this money every day, I could just add a zero on, add a percentage on, I could just risk more. All that happens is that you end up losing your account. Trust me, I know. So let's have a quick look at the trades from yesterday, see history. So it's current month. Yeah, current month's okay. Let's do from today so you can see what I've done. Sorry. So I've obviously done a few trades. I did have a gold trade on, but literally, I was going to close it and it got to a certain point and I accidentally pressed it and it closed. It was still in money, but it was just a little bit annoying. So here's the trades I've done today. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. I've done pound USD, which I lost, £1.13. I also then did a gold trade, which is the one I closed early, which is what I was hoping to hold on to, because if you look up here on this gold chart, I entered on this red wick here, this little doji down here. I kind of ended up at the base of that, and I was going to hold it till it hit my target, but then for some reason I clicked it when I was watching it. I don't know, but it's irrelevant. It closed. I was in profit. That's fine. ETH, obviously this is one here, so I got a little quick short on it, and then I got back into gold and took out a bit more money, and then a little bit more as well, just to finish off. I was kind of looking to hold that position, which again I should have done, but I just thought, wow, just a quick retrace, and I could have made a bit more, but I realised then that I probably wasn't feeling 100%, so I probably should just close it in the profit, take the money, and just be happy with my 4.7%. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that was today. Yesterday, so yesterday I've done quite a few trades. Obviously, I traded a bit in the afternoon as well. Like, if you look at the previous video, it'll show you. But yeah, so I lost a few more, and then won a few more, and then yeah, I got out. Is that later? Was that yeah? So so 10:30, my last ETH position clocked out. I think I put that on as one lot, but I sold it and then I bought it again. Yeah, so profitable both ways. It doesn't really matter if you go long or short. Again, I've lost a bit of money on gold, lost a bit. So kind of, if you look at it, I kind of evened it out, but it's a bit annoying. I should have just left it alone at that, and I would have been fine. But I was a little bit more. All that work, 4 trades to make £1.31. But yeah, either way. So for the current month, obviously, just to make sure So current month, current week was the same thing. So there you go. This is a real account, obviously. 41.73. So that should tally up with. I don't have to tell me on it. If you add the numbers up, I'm sure it probably adds to 41.23. I can't see it on the. No. Yeah, so you can see the profits. I'm not hiding anything. But yeah, so what I'll do, I'll obviously keep updating if I take any more positions today. I don't know if I will. I'm pretty tired and just want to kind of relax and get myself ready for tomorrow morning or potentially go into surgery. So if I do, I'll add a short. Again, if you've got any questions or if you want to know anything, information about how I trade and what I do, obviously it's not financial advice. I'm literally just doing it and then sharing it so people can see what I'm doing. Just so, it's more of a log for me really, so I can track my progress and become accountable. It stops me doing silly stuff. Um, and this is a small account, so this is just like the money I had left over, spare, like the odd bits in another account that I've just made into this account, and then obviously I'll just see how much I can. It's just interesting to see how much you can quickly build an account. You've gone from it's not a lot of money wise to a lot of people, but £57, so you've got £60, you now suddenly got almost £100. That's £40. That's good. What's the percentage there? 60. I don't know. God knows. It's a good amount, though, isn't it? Growth. Yeah, 65% growth. It's not to be shied at. If you did that with a bigger account, eventually we will do. We'll get good money. So we'll just keep going and see how far we can get. We'll soon build. It's all the power compound. So, like I say, any questions? Let me know. Comment, subscribe, love, follow, all that good stuff. And I'll hopefully catch you tomorrow. Cheers, guys.